咁我哋下一場嘅演講將會以英文進行嘅。The next session will be conducted in English. Okay, so please join me in welcoming our next speaker to the stage. We'll explore a thought-provoking topic, Innovate or Evaporate, how AI agents are defining the next era of business. To share her insight, we're honored to have Ms. Gariel Weng, Business Development Manager at Votee Limited. Let's give her a warm welcome. Gariel, please.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Gariel. I'm from the business team at Votee AI. And today I'm going to share AI agents and how it will redefine the next era of business. So first of all, let me shortly introduce our company first. Votee AI is a Hong Kong-based AI firm. And we start ourselves in 2013 as an AI market research provider. And around 5 to 6 years ago, we start developing enterprise-grade AI solutions for our clients. Yeah, so that is why we have over 10 years of experience in AI already. Yeah. And because of our connection with Hong Kong, we understand how important it is for AI to understand Cantonese. So that is why we spent over a year developing a Cantonese LLM. And we were also able to launch the first open source, open data, and open weights Cantonese LLM in Hong Kong. And this one is wholly open source, so you can find it on Hugging Face. And because of that, we were recognized by World AI Conference and entered Future Tech 100. And we also get a few press coverage and get selected into Cyberport AI Lab, etc., etc. So among so many AI companies, you might be wondering, how can Votee AI stand out? So because we understand how important it is for enterprise to preserve your private data and also the security issue. So we will attentively pay attention to different regulations and make sure our solutions are secure by design. Okay, so Cantonese LLM is one of our flagship products and also our engine, the engine behind all of our solutions. And currently, this Cantonese LLM supports text-to-text, speech-to-text, and speech-to-speech. So it can support a diverse, a wide variety of AI solutions. So before we go into detail, let's talk about how huge is this business opportunity AI is presenting right now. So if you search online on Google, you can already find a lot of different figures. So I'm just taking PwC as one example. So PwC actually projects that by 2013, AI will contribute over 15 trillion business opportunity into the global economy. So now for business, it's time to consider if you want to seize this business opportunity, or AI might become a threat for you. Yeah, so that is why today we are going to talk about some latest trends in AI. And of course, AI agents is one of the biggest 主角 in our presentation. But this is just a few observations we observed in the past few years. So first of all, of course, AI agents is one of the hottest topic everyone is talking about. They say 2025 is a year of AI agents, right? So this is, and it's mainly because before you might just use ChatGPT for email drafting or writing marketing copy, right? But now AI agent can help you with more complicated business operations and might also help with your business decision making. Yeah, and second thing is we are also using our know-how to help business get data ready, and we are building industrial LLM, and I will be sharing more later. Okay, so AI agent, is it just automation, you might be wondering. Actually, it's something like automation, but it's much more advanced. So in automation, everything is predefined, and you need to define step by step for the machine to execute, right? And later on, we have the AI automation, which means AI will help you finish some steps. But now with AI agent, you just need to write a prompt, and AI will figure out the steps for you. So it's highly adaptive, and you will be able to simulate human-like behavior as well. So you will be having like a real human assistant in your work. This is the main difference. Okay, so the first use case AI agent can do is data analysis. Data is a key for every organization, right? And to make any business decision, it's important to have data as well. And in the past, because we, as I mentioned before, we start ourselves as a market research provider, so we understand how important it is for the business to get market validation. But we also observe that for many businesses, for one thing, it's difficult to get the right data. For second, it's time-consuming to analyze vast amount of data. And for third thing, it's also difficult to extract actionable insights. But now our solution is actually to aggregate all sorts of data sets. So you have internal data, you have external data, you have the channel of data you want to indicate. We aggregate all the data, and then based on your prompts and your inquiry, we help you do the data analysis. Yeah. So here are one example you can take a look at. So this scenario is for trading. So as an independent trader, we might be wondering, should I invest in Tesla? But you need to search online to see a lot of company news, right? And this platform will help you aggregate all the data source, and you just ask, should I invest in Tesla? And it will help you analyze all the data and give you suggestions. Of course, you should just take it as suggestions instead of letting it make decision for you. Yeah. But the downside of this platform is it's not integrated with your internal data. So the perspective is not proprietary. And that is why on top of it, we have to fine-tune with your corporate related strategy. Okay, and let's take a look at the second scenario. So AI agent is a very powerful tool for customer support as well. This thing is similar to chatbot, but we call it chat agent. Because in chatbot, it will help you do simple question and answering, right? You ask it a question, and it will go to the database and search the right answer for you. But if your question is more complicated, it will not be able to handle it. And of course, it will escalate to real human, which takes more time and might not be as helpful. Yeah, but now we are developing chat agent, which will be able to understand your natural language and help you do follow-up item. Yeah, help you do more follow-up item. So take IT help desk as one example. So imagine a scenario, you cannot print something, right? So you go to the chatbot and you say, sorry, I cannot print something, can you help me? The chatbot will help you find the right document, the printing guide, and list out the steps for you. Step 1, you should install which software. Step 2, you should register one account. Step 3, you should connect to which Wi-Fi, etc., etc. But that also means you still need to read through all the documents by yourself. But now with AI agent, what it will do is it will take the active role to ask you, have you installed which software? Have you connected to which Wi-Fi? Have you registered one account? And after you provide this information, it will help you analyze the issue and give you a more accurate suggestion. So here one example. Because most of our projects are proprietary, so we cannot show the UI. I'm just using Google as an example for you to see. So also, you just share the screenshot. I cannot print something, and this is the screen I see. And then, okay. Sorry. Yeah. 係咪 video 唔 work 㗎？係咪唔 work？ Okay. Okay. So I just say, I'm facing this issue. What should I do? With a screenshot, you don't need to elaborate too much. And because this is a multi-model model, so you will be able to understand what the screenshot was about. And you see the reaction is, can you check if you have already installed the software? Yeah. So that is why with chat agents, this can be more natural. It can help with follow-up tasks. For example, after the question and answering, you might want to open a ticket, or you want to contact the IT team. Yeah, an AI agent will be helping you with such task. Yeah. So last but not least, let's take it up a notch. So right now, we are not just taking AI agents into some internal operation and customer facing. Internal and external both can be benefiting from AI agents. But now, because as I mentioned before, we are LLM provider. So we are using AI agent into LLM training now. So Votee Magic is a platform we launched this year, and it's an agentic LLM training platform. Because as mentioned before, for professionals such like you, you have your own domain knowledge. And probably AI tools such as ChatGPT cannot help you because you don't understand your domain knowledge, right? So you have to train your industrial LLM, your own LLM. But sometimes it can be time consuming because from data collection to data annotation to LLM training to LLM evaluation to the retraining, the process can be quite long and you might not have the know-how to do so. So that is why we are putting AI agent into LLM training. So during your LLM training journey, you can be accompanied by an AI agent to help you. And let's take a look at a video together. Okay, so this is just a short introduction video of our Votee Magic platform. In conclusion, the presentation is quite short. In conclusion, AI is very powerful, right? And everyone is talking about AI these days. So are business. Businesses are considered to invest in AI, but you don't know where to incorporate AI into your operation. You don't know how much money you should invest. You don't know whether you will be safe. Yeah, and that is why actually when we build AI, we will be taking care of not just building solutions. We will be taking care of delivering business value as well. So whenever you have ROI in mind, we can help you take care of that. So if you have any idea or anything you want to learn more, feel free to come to us. We have a booth in D04. Thank you.